What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by Nolasco. Here in this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and we got some good news. Save 20% off if you spend 100 on this Nike factory store, and as you can see we got a good ones already. And this is the Jordan 5 retro. The colorway is not bad for this one. I believe this one is the classic colorway or the original colorway, but this one is size 9.5. If it's a regular size of mine like 10.5, I might gonna keep it. And also checking out now if we could sell them on StockX, but unfortunately looks like we can't. So as you can see right here, 212 is the last sale, and as you can see how much the retail, it's 200. So there's no room for profit on that one. So let's say if I want to sell it for 220, which is the asking, which is the smallest asking, so we are making 195, so it is a loss for us, so pass. How about the Air Max 259.97 with additional 30%, so not bad for the colorway of black, white. So how about this one, Nike Court Vision Low Premium, price 49. Okay. Nike Shack NZ EU. Ooh, well, black, triple black. So the price of this one 69.99. No additional discount, but the comps, it is good when I check them. So as you can see right here, we are checking on eBay. Some of them are reselling somewhere above 100. So maybe it's a good sign, and we did the research. Also, we checking on how much would be our profit, and check out also as well how many or are they being sold. So let's check that out. As you can see right here, sold 100 and another 100. So most of them are just selling out for 100. So this is a good buy if we think about the price 69.99 with additional discount. If we spend 100, not bad for those. So it's like reselling them for every day. So that is a good one. Thumbs up. Red CC 59.97, 59.97. So sitting here. Okay, Nike Air Max Tracks, retail 130, 49.99. Nike Shock BBQ QS, retail 170, one's selling for 129.99. Save more. Okay, running shoes. How about Pegasus 54.97 with the 30, Epic React with the 30, 49.97. How about the Nike Air Zoom Type, retail 150, no additional discount. How about Nike Drop Type Premium 85, triple black 29.97, additional 30. Okay, Dead Shoes 49.97 with the 30. Check this out, it's still over here, 39.97 with the 30, still no one buying. Okay, Boomero 14, 69.97 with the 30. LeBron low 160. Why not? 119. Okay, some KDs here, 59.97. Nike Air Precision 2 and BK. How about the Kyrie 6? What do you think on this one? KD Tray 5. Okay, how about this one? 99. No additional discount though. So we are in Jordan shoes, no additional discount. So Jordan Aerospace 720. Like this camo on this one. Well, what do you think? 79.97 with this one, and the same as well as this one. Jordan 1 High React still sitting here, 79.97 with the 30. Nike Metcon 4 still sitting as well. Well, this is a new stock in here in the store. I wish it could be more cheaper though, 159. The 3s still sitting here. Bigger sizes, some are smaller sizes, but pass. Okay, hash wall, clearance wall, 30% off. What we have here? What is this? There's some Jordan Blitz Retro Metal, 119 with the 30. Jordan Big Fan Premium 69.97. Air Max Plus $89.97, BB4 $74.97, KD13 $149.97, Air Max Plus Tailwind $89.97, Jordan Proto React $49.97. Checking out the bag here, $29.97. And so how about some jacket, sweater, or hoodies like this one? I like this colorway, and the price kind of a little bit high though, so $49.99. Stitch Jordan I like though. And the t-shirt, very colorful with a lot of things going on, patches or something like that, but it's all printed, so I'm gonna wait out a little bit more for those. So 30% on the clothing. Check out this one. We got some hoodie, camo hoodie, looks like some LeBron hoodie, but I'm not really sure. But hey, check out the price. Retail is $110, $34.97 with the additional 30%, so that is already a good deal, so I'll take that one. This one also as well I like, but still not on sale. So as you can see, it's really stitched. I like the color on those, and very stitched. $49.99. How about we are in the women's section? Nike Air Max Light $49.97 with the 30. So how about this one? This one is returned, so this is the only one they have. The Jordan 11 Retro Low. Colorway is the white, black Concord, some kind of blue-ish colorway. Checking this one, it's really cool. If it's on my size 12, I might gonna pick them up, but it's size 11, so I'll pass. Air Force One, another return. Retail, no additional discount, size 11. Okay, some Air Max here, $119.97. Alright, so here, bag is secured. So these are the only we're gonna buy. There we go. Okay, so this is one we got here, and this only we bought because we have to maximize the savings, because it's only $20 off when you spend $100. So I would say this is some kind of a little bit tricky, that some of buyers, they thinking they are saving more if they're spending more. No, this is not the case. This is a fake sale, in my opinion. This is just a small tiny sale. So with that said, let's take this out so you would know what are my reason buying on this one. Let's starting off, we have 3 pairs, 2 camo jackets, and 1 shoes. Okay, so the retail on this one is $110. We got them for $34.97, additional 30% off. So we check on the price, which is there is additional 30% on that one. So count when we take out the 30% off and then additional the $20 off, it should be somewhere around $20.35. So retail on this one is $110. It's still not bad for a hoodie, which is really good for this season. Now it's getting cold. The other one what we bought here is the Nike Shack NZEU. If you remember on the blog, $69.99. So there is no additional discount. And I mentioned that if they are reselling very well, which is selling like 100, and they are sold like every single day. Our subtotal here, is 118 minus the 20%, so it came down somewhere around 98.93. Just like what I mentioned, that this is a little bit tiny discount, because if some of buyers thinking that they are spending saving more when they're spending more and they are buying more, then the amount of $200 or the $20 off discount is kind of a little bit, it's much better to have the discount like 20% or 20% on top of the all of the item. So I would like to let you know that don't fall for this kind of fake sale. So don't be like just like me when I was like beginning of this saving thing on the Nike factory store. And that's about it on this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you will not fall for this fake sale when it comes to Nike factory store. Next time, if you want to save more, get a 20% off and then 30% off on top of the additional discount. Or maybe if you are military, there's additional 10%, or sign up for a new account, additional 10%. So that one is much better rather than getting a $20 off. With that said, I hope you like this video, and if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.